Welcome to your Koala Studios Assembly Guide. In just a few easy steps, you'll have your sewing cabinet ready for use. For the purpose of this video, we'll be working on a Koala Studios companion chest, but these steps can be replicated for any of our models. First, cut the outer bands securing the package. Lift the cabinet off the pallet and carry it to your assembly site. Furniture straps and dollies make this step much easier. Work in a team of two to prevent any back strain or injury. Place a blanket or rug down to prevent damage to your cabinet and the floor. Tip the box back and cut it open from the bottom. Carefully remove any packaging surrounding the unit. Place the included honeycomb cardboard blocks on the floor. Now, gently lay the cabinet on its backside. It's time to install the casters. To install a caster, place the lock washer on the caster stem. Thread the caster stem into the cabinet and tighten with the included wrench, snug but not overly tight. Repeat for all casters on your model. If you have an all-in-one embroidery studio, Quilter's Vision, or Eclipse, your studio includes an outback leaf. You should install casters on the outback leaf gate legs now. All casters should be unlocked during installation to avoid any damage to the casters themselves. Carefully lift the cabinet off the support blocks and rotate it upright. Avoid pivoting on the caster wheels. If you have a Quilter's Vision, Eclipse, Compact, cutting table, or companion chest, you will need to install handles. Align the handle with the drilled holes in the drawer or doors. Insert the screws and tighten with the screwdriver. Ensure the handle is secure and aligned before repeating for additional handles. If you have an all-in-one embroidery studio, there's an included footrest option for added comfort. Install the casters on the smaller footrest board just like you did on the bottom of the cabinet. Then slide the smaller footrest into place under the cabinet. Lock the casters to keep it stable. Choose your most comfortable footrest height and secure the included feet to the bottom of the larger footrest board if preferred. Also included in the all-in-one embroidery studio is a separate outback leaf you will need to attach. With your partner, lower the leaf into position by placing the gravity hinge hooks onto the base bracket at the same time. Lift the outback leaf up and swing the gate legs into position. Under the outback leaf, lock the hinges securely with the gravity hinge lock by turning the black plastic piece into position. And that's it! Your Koala Studio sewing cabinet is ready for action. Happy sewing!